Good morning, children. I hope you have remembered the 6 and 7 tables from our last videos. Today we are going to learn the 8 table in a fun and easy way, with story and picture tricks. Before we start, let's quickly revise our number rhymes and codes. 1. Sun. 2. Shoe. 3. Tree. 4. Door. 5. Knife. 6. Vicks. 7. Heaven. 8. Plate. 9. Wine. 10. Hen. Let's quickly revise our number code system. 1 is T and D. 2 resembles N. 3 resembles M. 4 sounds R. 5 is L. 6 is G, J, C, H, S, H. 7 form K. 8 resembles F and V. 9 resembles P and B. 0 is S. Children, before we start the story, let's quickly remember our number codes. To make it easy, you can write them in your notebook and revise them 2 or 3 times. Okay, children, everyone knows 8 ones are 8, right? But now, let's learn 8 twos are what? Don't worry, we'll learn it with a fun story. Listen carefully. 8's rhyme is plate, 2's rhyme is shoe. Now, 1 ka code was T or D and 6 ka code was SH, CH or J. Remember? So we take D from 1 and SH from 6. Together it becomes dish, dish. Now imagine a big chef in a restaurant has served a yummy biryani dish in a plate. And guess what? He made that biryani in the shape of a shoe. So whenever someone asks, "Hey, what is 8 twos are?" you will recall this story. 8 is plate, 2 is shoe, and the in-plate biryani dish was served in shoe shape. Because the word dish has D is equal to 1 and SH is equal to 6. So, 8 twos are 16. Say it together, kids. 8 twos are 16. We already learnt that 8 twos are 16. Now, let's find out 8 threes are what? Listen carefully. 8's rhyme is plate. 3's rhyme is tree. Now, do you remember our number codes? The code for 2 was N and the code for 4 was R. So, when we join N and R, it becomes the word nectar. Now, imagine, children, there's a big plate lying in a garden. Suddenly, that plate breaks open and a tall tree grows out of it. And on that tree, sweet nectar fruits are hanging everywhere. So whenever someone asks, what is 8 threes are? You will quickly remember this story. 8 is plate, 3 is tree. And from the plate grew a tree full of nectar fruits. Plate, tree, nectar. And the word nectar has N is equal to 2 and R is equal to 4. So 8 threes are 24. Now say it together, kids. 8 threes are 24. Now let's find out 8 fours are what? Listen carefully. 8's rhyme is plate. 4's rhyme is door. Do you remember our number codes? The code for 3 was M and the code for 2 was N. When we join M and N, it becomes the word man. Now imagine, children, There's one man trying to open a big door. He pushes it hard and oops, the door doesn't open. Instead, it falls right on him. Bang! He falls to the ground and shouts, "Help! Help!" So, whenever you forget 8 fours are what, just remember the story. 8 is plate, 4 is door. And who fell while opening the door? A man. And in the word man, M equals to 3 and N equals to 2. So, 8 fours are 32. Yay! Now, let's find out 8 fives are what? 8's rhyme is plate. 5's rhyme is knife. Do you remember our number codes? The code for 4 was R and the code for 0 was S. When we join R and S, it makes the word rose. Now imagine, children, in a big restaurant, a chef has served a special dish of roses. Yes, beautiful red roses arranged on a plate. And he's carefully cutting them with his knife. So, whenever you forget 8 fives are what? Just remember this story. 8 is plate. 5 is knife. And on the plate, the chef was cutting rose. Very good, children. And in the word rose, R is equal to 4 and S is equal to 0. That means rose is equal to 40. So 8 fives are 40.
Now, let's find out 8 sixes are what? Listen carefully. 8's rhyme is plate. 6's rhyme is Vicks. Do you remember our number codes? The code for 4 was R and the code for 8 was F or V. So when we join R from 4 and F from 8, it makes the word rifle. Now imagine, children, a new and funny gadget has come to the market. It's a Vicks dispenser rifle. Inside it, there's a tiny Vicks injector. You just place it near your nose, and when you press the trigger, the cool Vicks goes whoosh straight into your nose. So whenever you forget 8 sixes are what, just remember the rhyme. 8 is plate, 6 is Vicks. And to put the Vicks inside, a special rifle was used. Very good, children. And in the word rifle, R is equal to 4, F is equal to 8. That means rifle is equal to 48. So 8 sixes are 48.
Alright, children. We just learned that 8 sixes are 48. Now, let's find out 8 sevens are what? 8's rhyme is plate. 7's rhyme is heaven. Do you remember our number codes? The code for 5 was L and the code for 6 was G, J, Ch or Sh. So we take L from 5 and G from 6 and join them together to make the word leg. Now imagine, children, in heaven there's a shining golden plate. That plate is tickling a baby angel's leg. The little angel giggles and laughs, saying, "Hee hee, stop it, stop tickling my leg." And then the plate says, "First say 8 stable properly." Everyone in heaven starts laughing together. So, whenever you forget 8 sevens are what, remember the story. 8 is plate. 7 is heaven. And in heaven, a golden plate was tickling the baby angel's leg. Very good, children. And in the word leg, L is equal to 5 and G is equal to 6. So leg means 56. Therefore, 8 sevens are 56. Yay!
Now let's find out 8 eights are what? 8's rhyme is plate. And the second 8's rhyme is plate again. Yes, both are plates. Do you remember her number codes? The code for 6 was J, Ch, Sh or G. And the code for 4 was R. So, we take J from 6 and R from 4 and join them together to make the word jar. Yes, jar. Now imagine, children, there's a special jar in the room. Its base and top both are covered with shiny metal plates. Yes, and guess what? On that jar, the whole table of 8 is written beautifully. Yes, but that jar is very naughty. It keeps dancing and spinning round and round, showing off its metal plates and saying, "Look, I am the 8 table jar." So, whenever you forget 8 eights are what, just remember the rhyme. 8 is plate. And again 8 is plate. And there's a special jar with plates on both sides and the 8 table written on it. Very good, children. Clap, clap, clap. And in the word jar, J equals to 6 and R equals to 4. That means jar equals to 64. So, 8 eights are 64.
All right, children, we just learned 8 eights are 64. Now let's find out 8 nines are what? 8's rhyme is plate. 9's rhyme is wine. Do you remember our number codes? The code for 7 was K and the code for 2 was N. So when we join K and N, we get the word kitten. Now imagine, children, there's a cute little kitten in a restaurant. She's holding a can of wine and walking proudly on top of a big plate. Everyone is laughing and clapping. Oh, look, the kitten is serving wine. So whenever you forget 8 nines are what, just remember the rhyme. 8 is plate, 9 is wine, and the naughty kitten was carrying wine on the plate. Very good, children. And in the word kitten, K is equal to 7 and N is equal to 2. That means kitten is equal to 72. So 8 nines are 72. Now everyone together. 8 nines are 72.
Bachcho, those who find it difficult to remember tables, don't worry at all. We will keep bringing new and fun story videos to help you remember them easily. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the videos and share them with your friends. See you soon in the next story. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning.